cat's eye foxy makeup look. Foxy, sexy foxy. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zainab. So in today's video I'll be creating this trendy foxy eye makeup look whereby your eye will be kind of lifted, like, though this look has been around for a while now, but the name is kind of new, so you must know this look right now is super trendy and I've seen it on a lot of faces and I'm loving it, and I'm also going to create my own for you to see. Like, it's great, that super cat's eye foxy makeup look. So first I'll be starting with this Ewaronke rose gold spray right here. It's also a moisturizer, also for nourishing, and it's also good for anti-aging. So I'll just spray it all over my face. For my primer, I'll be going in with this Pore Perfection Putty face primer right here from Makeup Obsession. Here I'll just take like a little bit will just go a long way, so I'll just apply this. I'll be spraying it all over my face using my hands. For my foundation, I'll be using this Avor foundation right here. Though this foundation is too light for me, so I'll be mixing it with this fina foundation. So I'll just spray a little bit of this my makeup spray from Makeup Obsession. Like, it's so dope makeup setting spray. Using my kabuki brush from Sigma Beauty, like it's the F80 kabuki brush. I'll be blending the foundation. So I'll just add a little bit of that just to give it a kind of full coverage. So I'll be concealing my eyes, and I'm using this LA Girl concealer in fawn. I'll just like add a little, then I'll blend that out. Color blending brush, just blend out the concealer. So I'll be setting the concealer with my face powder. I'll be using this. I'll just use my fluffy brush until and this brush is from the Sigma Beauty Tape Red Blending Brush. I'll be using this to just set the concealer. You can also use your setting powder in setting the concealer, but I'm using my face powder. This foxy eye look, you can decide to use an eyeshadow to just create that wing liner, but I will be using a gel liner instead of doing that, and I'll be using this gel liner from Sigma Beauty in Wicked. Like, it's so dark. I'll be using this gel liner for a while and I'm loving it. Going in with my angle brush, and this is from Unicorn Cosmetics. So this is, I just have to apply it down. So I'll be creating a ring liner. And I'm bringing it down. So as you can see, I'm not taking it down to my inner corner, so I'm just going to stop here. So I'll also be using the same angle brush to just like blend I don't know, I just prefer using my gel liner instead of eyeshadow. Me using my gel liner is going to stay longer. Already getting that cut foxy look. So next I'll be going in with this Sigma Beauty Enchanted eyeshadow palette right here, and I'll be going in with this clay stone, this color here. I'll be also be using the pencil brush from Sigma Beauty in E30. So I'll be going in with that same Sigma Beauty gel liner. I'll be going in with this transition shade right here. I'll be applying this all over my eyelid. So guys, for my concealers, I'll be using this I Heart Revolution Heartbreakers collection. I'll be using the concealer for my highlight and contour. For the contour, I'll be using that of chestnut, and for my highlight, I'll be using the toffee shade. So to blend my highlighter, I'll be using this Sigma Beauty sponge right here. So guys, to set my face, I'll be using this Makeup Obsession Pure Baked Banana Powder here. I'll be using this in setting my face. So for my powder contour, like just to set this my contour, I'll be going in with this Sigma Beauty Sculpt highlight and contour palette. So I'll be going in with this shade right here. I'll be using this shade right here. So for my blush, I'll be using this LA Girl blush collection in pink. So this is it right here. I'll be using this shade here. Just so pigmented, so I'll just apply a bit. So for my powder, I'll be using the Zikel Cosmetics blush and powder palettes. I'll be going in with these two shades right here. So for my mascara, I'll be using this mascara from Sigma Beauty also. I'll just also I'll be lining my inner corner, the inner corner of my eyes, just to give it that cat eye look. Also be going in with the same angle brush right here that I used in creating that wing liner. So guys, this is it. So I'll be going off camera to apply my lashes, and when I'm back we'll be finishing the remaining look. So guys, I am back. So in setting my face, I'll be using the Makeup Obsession So Dope setting spray. I'll be using this in setting my face. So to highlight my face, I'll be using the Makeup Obsession Fuse 3D Universal highlighter. So just a little, because guys, just take a look at this. Just a little bit, just little. Just little. Okay. We're getting there. So I'll just take a little like this. Okay, so I love highlighters. Like, I don't joke with my highlighters. I so love it. Okay, so I think this is okay. Okay guys, so I'll also be going in with this pencil brush right here from Sigma Beauty, and I'll be touching a little bit of this dark shade here, Wicked, from the Enchanted Sigma Beauty eyeshadow palette. So for my waterline, I'll be using this NYX Jumbo pencil right here. I'll be using this for my waterline, the NYX Jumbo pencil. So for that, I'll be going in with a pointed brush, and I'll be using this my eyeliner brush from Sigma Beauty in E05. This eyeliner brush right here. So I'm going in with my mascara for my under lashes. So guys, I am done with my eyes. So one thing I love with this look is that it can go with any lip color, and I'm thinking either to use a darker shade or just a nude lip, and I think I'll go with a nude lip. Still thinking. So for my lips, I'll be lining my lips with this classic pencil here. So next, I'll be going in with this liquid lipstick from Sigma Beauty in Avor. So I'll be using this Tis Cosmetics lip gloss here. So guys, I think I'm done. Let me apply. I love it when my lips are glossy, so I'm just applying a little bit of this glossy. So guys, I hope you all really enjoyed watching this video, and also you love this foxy, sexy foxy eye look created right here. Let me know what you think about this look, and if you also be trying it, because right now it's super trendy and I've tried mine and I think I did pretty well. So guys, let me know what you think about this look, and also let me know if you really like this look on me. If you guys really enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please show your girl some love and subscribe to the channel right now. Like, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Always know I love you, and please stay safe. Bye.